Hello, good afternoon. And today I'm going to talk about one strategy how to tackle the quantitative comparison problems of GRE. See, first of all, we need to understand one thing. When GRE, they say X is a number. So number could be any number. What I mean, it could be positive number, it could be negative number, it could be fraction, decimal, anything. Now see, this is a type of questions, quantitative comparison here. He said X is a number, and in the quantity A, written something like x plus 1, x plus 2, and quantity B, here is written x plus 11, and x plus 22. Your job is to compare which quantity is greater. Generally, what happens the moment we see which quantity is greater, here we see the big numbers, and here the numbers are small, and we say quantity B is greater, right? Because we need to choose the option B when quantity B is greater. When to choose A when quantity A is greater. When to choose C when both quantities are equal. But you see in the last case, the relationship cannot be determined. It means for some values we are getting quantity A greater, for some values we are getting quantity B greater. By looking at this expression, our first sense goes the quantity B is greater and we put the answer B, but be careful, it's a wrong answer. Why? You are considering X a positive number, right? Who knows X could be a negative number, isn't it? Let's say X is a negative number. Even X could be 0. Even X could be a decimal number. X could be a fractions, etc. So you have to check all possibilities before you conclude your final answer. Let's go one by one. If I say X is a positive number, right? Let's take X is a positive number, and the easiest number comes to my brain is 1. When I put 1, you see what be the value of quantity A. I'm writing the shorter version. It's be 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So 1 into 2 into 3. And in this case, quantity B, when I put X is 1, this is 1, 1 plus 11, which is 12, 1 plus 22, which is 23, and obviously quantity B is greater, and I put answer B. But as I said, that could be the trap. Why? Because we didn't check what could be the value if I put x is equal to 0. Now see the second scenario. When I'm putting x is equal to 0, what's the quantity A? It could be 0 into second number 0 plus 1, next number 0 plus 2, and here 0, 0 plus 11, 0 plus 22. In fact, we don't need to write all this because 0 into anything is 0, right? 0 multiplied by anything is 0. And here again 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So in this scenario, both quantities are equal. Now we can see in the first case when I took x is a positive number, we got quantity B is greater, right? And in the second case when I took x is equal to 0, we got both quantities are equal. But we don't know whether x is 0 or x is positive. So what we can conclude from here, correct answer is D, relationship cannot be determined. Why? Because there is no information what x is. I hope this strategy is clear. See you. Thank you.